Experiencing text issues with ALDI Mobile on your iPhone or Android? Let's break down why this happens. The primary culprits are often related to message delivery protocols. For Android, ALDI Mobile uses RCS, which offers enhanced features like high-quality media sharing, read receipts, and typing indicators. For iPhones, iMessage often takes priority, and if messages can't be delivered via iMessage to a non-Apple device, they should fall back to SMS or MMS. Problems arise when this fallback fails, especially with ALDI Mobile. This issue accounts for around 5% of total complaints for mobile issues. Other causes can include incorrect APN settings, SIM card glitches, or even just network congestion, especially during peak times. A widespread outage in the Midwest US in 2024 showed the vulnerability of texts not being received due to network handoff errors between cell towers. Let's get into how to fix these issues. Let's troubleshoot those texting issues. First, restart your device. It's the classic fix for a reason. Next, ensure your phone is updated to the latest software. ALDI Mobile released a firmware update in Q2 2025 that reduced text failure rates by 15 to 20%. If using Android, go to Settings, Messages, and confirm RCS is enabled. On iPhones, if you're not receiving texts from Android users, temporarily disable iMessage Settings Messages to force SMS fallback. Double-check your APN settings. Incorrect settings block message delivery. Reset network settings and consider toggling airplane mode. If problems persist, contact ALDI Mobile support via their app or website to verify service status in your area.